So what's your answer? What you need to change your life to not die in 2023? Because it's so, you will die. You will die. There are no other ways. You will die if you are not changing this. Look, 2023 will come in 2 months, 3 months. When you are watching this video? When? November, December, maybe already in January? When? Tell me now this in comments. 2023 is here. You cannot run away from this. It's here. What? You don't have answers to this question. Get out of this video because this video is not for you. You don't have answers. This video will have 3 parts. The first part is what you have to do now, what you can do now with 3 main steps. The second part is the thing that you have to do after, maybe even tomorrow, but in the future, before you need to follow these 3 tips of the part 1. And the third part is the main thing, the mind setup that you need to have to change your life, to not die in 2023. The step 1 is understand, analyze yourself, understand why you are hating yourself, why you are hating your life. This is the main step of the part 1. Maybe example, I hate myself because I don't like my body. I don't like my body because my body, it's fat. For me, it's fat for what I will achieve. And also, I don't like about myself. I don't care about my mind health, my body health sometimes. And it's really stress this thing. I don't like it. I want to change this. So I analyze myself in like 30 seconds and I understand what I need to change in my life. And you can do it now. You can do it now with your body, with your mind health. What you want to change your life? What do you want to change in your life? Because now we will do it better with my second tip of the first part. Because all you need to do with this tip is go into the description of this video and click the link down below. You will go here in this part. So let's start. Okay, this is my Mac now. We will go to Notion. This is my profile and this is the guide to change your life. This is the guide to change your life. Look at the title. Die now or live tomorrow. Die now or live tomorrow. Read it again. Save your life in 2023 with me. Yes, because now I'm changing my life with you. So the second tip is do a list about your current life and current version of yourself. And here you need to write your topic, what you want to change in your life, body health, mind health, goals, social life, economy, other. And this is what you have to do now on your life, what you have to do now. Go to the description and do this list for yourself. Give yourself time, like all the time that you need. Just take your time for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week. Kill yourself for the past and reborn now, today. Because now you can kill yourself. You can kill yourself. Okay. You can kill yourself now. You can kill yourself. You can kill what you were yesterday, what you were even 5 minutes ago. Because now you are the highest version of yourself. And you need to understand this. You need to change your mindset up. Say goodbye to yourself and say hi, welcome to the highest version of yourself. So let's go to the second part of this video, and the first tip is analyze yourself. Yes, again, analyze yourself, but not in this way. Imagine your best version of yourself. Imagine your highest version of yourself. How you wanna be in 5 years, how you wanna be in 1 year, how you wanna be in 10 years from now. So let's go here, and here's another to-do list that you can do. What I want to achieve, how will be my body, how is the highest version of myself. Okay, in your idea, your body is mind health, goals, social life, economy, and which skills I want to get. And that's all. You need to write this. Body health, mind health, goals, social life, economy, which is I want to get, and maybe even other topics. Everything that you want. I will explain to you in just 2 minutes. So let's go with the countdown. And you need to be more focused, because now it's so important this part, because you need to answer this concept. Think, start, wait. Think how can you change your life. Think about this. Think about what you can change on your life. What you need to do. I want to change my body. What can I do? Go to the gym. Oh yes, thank you. I thought about it. Think about what you can do to change your life. And the second is start. What you can start to do it. Don't care about judgments. Only you can change your life. Only yourself. Only you. Remember this, because other people can't change your life. They can give you like tips or advices or like this video, but only you. Only you have the power to change your life. So don't care about judgments. Don't care about them, because people has their own life. You have your own life. You are working on your life. Judgments, why should be like bad? You are working on your life. Remember only this. You are working because you are loving yourself, because you want to be the best version of yourself. So get out from your house and just go to the gym center and ask, can I start? So do it. Why you are not doing it now? And the third is wait. It's so simple, but wait. No one are doing it because other people are giving up when they want to achieve something too faster. They are giving up in this phase because they are not waiting the right time. Because everyone needs to take on their own time. I have my time to grow up on YouTube, I have my time to change my body, and you need to wait, be patient, because you have your time. Take your time always. If it makes you happy, it's hard to achieve. Yes, almost all the time it's so. It's really hard. I work on YouTube 7 hours every day to achieve my goals on YouTube. It's hard, really. It's really hard, but I want it. And never give up because you deserve it. Remember this because you deserve it. You really deserve it because you are doing the best for yourself. You are changing yourself. So now the question of before was what you can change in your life to not die in 2023. But there's another important question that you need to ask to yourself. How can I give to myself time to do it? I don't have time that day to do it. Why? You know, because you are not selfish. And now I really want to know what are the things that you need to change on your life to not die in 2023. What are the things? Subscribe to my channel for more contents like this because I'm uploading one video every day to help your life, to help yourself, to help you achieve your best version of yourself.